Even though Google is a search engine platform where we can search for anything and get answers, do you know that Google can pay you for doing some easy tasks? A lot of people have been making money using Google. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing that makes them a lot of money. All I need from you is your full attention, and I'm going to show you everything. If you would love to learn how this strategy works, then kindly support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos to come. Before I continue, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. And if you ever have any comments or concerns about the video, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Before I reveal the website to you, you need to create a PayPal account. Creating a PayPal is just a few steps away. Just visit paypal.com and register for a free account by clicking this button over here. Just provide all the necessary information and sign into your PayPal account. And if you don't like using PayPal, you can set up your bank account online and register for a free account. Now, before I visit the website to show you how it works, I want your full attention on this video because I explain a lot of things here, including how to sign up for free, plus bonus tips to make more money faster and step-by-step examples. So make sure you stay until the end of the video and pay close attention to every second so you won't find it complicated. So if you don't want to get confused about the whole step-by-step process, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to come over to Google and search for a Google platform called Skillshop. You can also open up this page right here, or you can just type in this link, skillshop.withgoogle.com. Either way, this is the site that we will be using to make money. Google Skillshop is Google's official platform that allows you to grab various courses that will teach you various skills for completely free. As seen right here, it says, develop skills you can apply right away with e-learning courses designed by Google product experts. Learn at your own pace and get Google product certified. The amazing part is that you'll get a certificate whenever you complete one of these awesome courses. You can go for courses relating to Google Ads, which will allow you to grow your skills using Google Ads to advertise your business online and get Google Ads certified. You'll add courses relating to the Google marketing platform, courses relating to analytics, and so on. Now, which of the courses will get you certified? You can see it by placing your cursor over to Get Certified right here. And if I move my mouse to Google Ads, you can see all of the courses which I have to do to get certified. You can get a certificate for the Google Marketing Platform, Analytics Academy, Google My Business, and even Waze. Now, the courses that will pay off the most are the Google Ads courses. And as you can see, some are shorter and some are longer. Remember that you just have to watch the courses once and that's it. Apart from getting the certification, you will also gain a lot from these courses. Like I said earlier, this will pay off big time because people are willing to pay a lot of money for Google Ad experts. And I'll show you where to get customers. Finding customers isn't something difficult. You can find customers using two unique platforms, and the first platform is peopleperhour.com. This is a website where you can come to work as a freelancer or pay a freelancer, and I prefer People Per Hour to Fiverr because you can find people who are offering to pay you for a certain job. Whereas on Fiverr, you can create a gig and wait for customers to order your gig. So this is why I want us to use People Per Hour. So when you visit peopleperhour.com, the first thing to do is to create an account by clicking on the sign up right over here. Next step is to click on search and then select search projects. From there, you will search for a job. The type of job you will search for depends on the type you completed on Google Skillshop. Let's assume that you have completed a course on Google Ads. If you search for that course, you will notice that there are people who are offering up to hundreds of dollars. And apart from getting certified as a Google Ads expert, you'll know exactly how it all works and what to do to make a lot of money. For example, check out this person who is offering this amount of money for a Google Ads expert. Then there is another person who is offering this amount of money as well. And then there's this person who will pay for this amount for an hour, and so on. People per Hour is not the only platform you can use. You can also use freelancer.com. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's proceed. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account by clicking on Sign Up in the upper right corner of the page. When you're done with signing up, come over here to click on Browse Jobs and then search for a job type. So let's go along with Google Ads as an example. You can see, just like with the previous site, you will easily find people offering as much as $100 for a Google Ads expert. And this offer is even higher on freelancer.com. If you want a guaranteed offer, all you need to do is create a gig on People Per Hour or even on Fiverr and ask for $100. Although this might be a slower way to get customers, but once you get a few reviews, it will get easier from there. Now, if you want to make money online and start your own online business, then I highly recommend you use Skillshare.com. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes from which you can learn almost everything you can think of. You can learn marketable skills like web design, graphic design, internet marketing, and many more. One of my favorite classes in Skillshare from the e-business category is Selling Online Business Skills for Product Designers, and then these classes are about how anyone can turn their idea into a real and successful online business. They also talk about all of the fundamentals one must have to achieve success in online business. And this class is all about selling online, finding a niche, building your brand, setting up your stores, marketing your products with social media, and more. I love Skillshare because you can learn a lot of things from there. Basically, the Skillshare platform is designed for intensive learning, and you are not going to find annoying and boring ads that will disturb your learning. The best part is you can get full access to all of the Skillshare classes from which you can learn 24 hours a day. Before I give you one more tip, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if yes, kindly support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on any future content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. If you want to learn how to earn $1,000 per day with only copying Google News, click here.